We back with another video, and I have a special guest. I got Bree with us. Say hey, Bree.
Hi.
Say hey like you mean it. Like, don't be shy for the camera. Act how you usually act. Anyway, we are doing a wash and go today for you guys. We have two different textures. We got Brianna, turn around. She is more of a type 4C hair type. When it's moisturized, you can get her hair, her curls can look like something different. And then you have me, who's a mixture of the type 4s. I got 4A, 4B, 4C in the middle. So let's get into this video, right? TGIN green tea leave-in, the trusty handy dandy Eco Style! Y'all know a wash and go ain't a wash and go unless your hair is saturated with water. That's what you need first. So Brianna, spray some water on your hair. We're gonna do this side first. She's gonna soak that water in her hair. Then we're gonna take some of this leave-in on your hair, working it from the ends to the root. Spraying hands method, or you can rake it like Brianna's doing. Let's take our brush. I'm using Brush with the Best, and she's using Tangle Teezer. And we're gonna stop at the ends like this. Do it gently. And we're gonna work our way up. Then I'm going to add more water. I like to add more water prior. Is that going all in your face? I use gel. Why? Because it just forms my curl better. Working in little sections help. So you can actually part that one more time and add it to your other hair and work on this small section first. Work on your ends and work your way up. See? And then even distributing the products with your brush helps. Are you doing that? Let me see yours. And to get more definition, I like to take one. Do the shingling method, or you don't have to. I usually don't do it in the back of my hair because my hair kind of curls easily in the back, as you can see. But I'm still gonna do it because I want volume on day one. So shingling it kind of separates the curls and it helps give you that more volume. Okay, so we're slicking the hair down. So we're gonna brush right here. We want that slickety slick. And then all you're gonna do, I remember this hairstyle used to be popping in the 90s. And you just take it back like this. You get a rubber band and you connect it. So I'm gonna get my rubber band. Ooh. I'm gonna get my rubber band. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna connect. So I took the clips out, and now I'm gonna shake my hair. Whew. My neck, my back. Okay. And you see those juicy curls coming through with the come through? You see those juicy curls? So when my hair dries, we're going to fluff it out. And it's gonna be a whole look. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you Brianna in a second. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.